In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to erase an object from a photo in Canva. For this tutorial, I want to remove the credit card that you see here. There are two ways to go about it. Let's take a look at the first method. First, click on the image. Then click on Edit Image. And over here, we see Magic Eraser. Click on it. There are two options. The first one is using a brush. The second one is using click. First, we're going to use the brush. You can adjust the brush size if needed. Right now it's this circle. It's about this big. I can make it bigger by sliding over. And you see the circle in the middle that tells us how big it is. I'm going to go ahead and use 20. Then go over to the item and left click and drag until you highlight the entire object. Release once you have highlighted the entire object. Then go over to the option and click on Erase. Voila! The object has been erased, but the effect is not so great. When that happens, you can go over to the parts that you want to improve. And then repeat the process. There, now it looks much better. Now let's take a look at the second option. So once again, click on the image. Then click on Edit Image. Click on Magic Eraser. Then click on the one that says Click. You will see that it's scanning over the photo. Once it's ready, notice that if I hover over certain parts of the photo, it's highlighted. I'm going to go ahead and tap on this, click on the credit card. Now it has only select part of it, so let's see. Notice that the cursor is a plus sign. I'm going to tap on it again. Okay, there you go. Now it's doing a much better selection. Then click on Erase. Voila, now it has been erased. So far, it looks like the click one does a better job.